Contractors and service providers, you will want to hear this. We're having a pre-launch event, and advertising with us for all of 2020 is absolutely free. Who are we? Road to Management. We are an innovative company that educates owners, investors, and real estate professionals in the area of property management. Our team has over 40 years combined experience in the management industry. We've taken these 40+ years and broken them down into classes, articles, videos, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. One of our selling points is that we will have the right contractors and service providers to do the job when needed. That's where you come into play. Once you've been contacted by one of our members, you will have the opportunity to expand that lead throughout their group of friends by referrals. And let's face it, there's no better compliment than a referral. All you have to do is reach out to one of our team members at affiliates@roadtomanagement.com, and we will contact you and get you all set up. So right now, just jump onto your email or Facebook page and private message us at Road to Management. I'm Stacy Flowers with Road to Management, hoping that you will take this journey with us.